Welcome guys to the most simplified CRT class that you will ever see. Right? I will teach you how to trade CRT in a simple way with one model. So before everything, just hit the like button and subscribe this channel. That's a really important thing to do because almost every day I bring you free content to improve your trades. So subscribe and hit the like button. So now I'm gonna teach you what is CRT and how you can trade it. Okay, the CRT first thing is Candle Range Theory. This means CRT, right? And what Candle Range Theory means? It means that every candle in the market is a range, right? And we're going to operate this range. If you guys know what thorough soup is, liquidity and grab is, should be fine this video for you. If you don't, I suggest you look to learn this content before see this video, right? Because thorough soup or liquidity sweep is the base of candle range theory, right? If you want me to make one video just specific about thorough soup, just comment below that I make for you, right? Anyway, every candle is a range of the market, right? Now I'm the 4-hour time frame, right? In the 4-hour time frame, we have less candles than we have in a 1 minute, right? But you have to understand that this candle in the 4-hour has a lot of 1 minutes inside of this candle, right? If you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you how this works, right? We mark this range, this candle, right? So let's go to the 5 minutes. Oh my god, like you have your range, you have your candle, the candle high and the candle low. This is the other thing that I want to talk about you. Every candle has an open, high, low and close, right? Or open, high, low, close. Let me draw for you. That's more simple. Open, high, low, close, right? Every candle has this, or maybe open, low, high, close, right? And this is the range. In these points specifically, these points right here in the range that we want to trade, right? Because here we most probably having a thorough soup, have a manipulation, right? A liquidity grabbing. So in this case, this is the high and this is the low. Here we got thorough soup, but we don't want to talk about this yet because I need to talk to you guys another thing more important, because you need to, before you have your CRT, before marking all the candles you see in your chart and get wrecked down and lose a lot of money, you just need to know one thing to not lose money with CRT. That one thing is key levels. And what is key levels? Key levels is basically a place in your chart. There's a lot of liquidity resting, like highs and lows, right? So here you got a key level, right? Here you got a key level. Here you got a key level. Here you got a key level. Of course, we talk about this 1 minute. Here you got a key level, and here you got a key level, right? Here also you have a key level. So you have a lot of key levels on your chart, right? But once a key level got hit, you're disconsidering this key level, right, for further trades. So in the current situation, this key level is no longer available, right? So you just looking for this key level, or this key level is the next two key levels, right? And if the price push higher, you get this key level. If price push lower, you have this key level. And price moves from a key level to another key level. So if you take a closer look, what we have here, we have a key level, right? This key level. The price total soup this key level and pushing higher. So where probably is the next stop from the price? Probably here is a key level, right? If the price continues to push higher, probably come here. If the price just throws soup this key level and push lower, where the price probably go? Here, right? So it's easy. It's like a GPS on your charts. So first thing you want to do is have your key levels on your chart, right? So mark your key levels. It's the most important thing to do CRT. It's no way, it's no possible to do CRT without key levels, right? So you already learned what is CRT. CRT is a candle. It's a range inside of a candle, actually. Every candle is a range. Every range you have little key levels, right? It's the same thing here. Like probably this is a weekly candle, right? If you go 1 week, well, you got your weekly key, your week CRT right here, like a lot of candles, right? This is the 4-hour, by the way. Okay, so you already know what is CRT. You already know that CRT is a candle, and inside that candle you have a range that have key levels inside the range, right? So how do we want to trade the CRT, right? So you mark your key levels. Here I'm marking on the 4-hour. You can do in whatever time frame you please. And you wait for the price tapped a key level. Okay, once the price tapped a key level, you mark the candle. Only once the price tapped a key level, you will mark it. So here you have the CRT. You have your valid CRT. Okay, just when the price hit the key level. Price hit the key level, you have your CRT. Don't look for CRT in the middle of the key levels, like here or here or here. It's simply not gonna work. Okay, the CRT must be combined with key levels. This is the base of the CRT. Okay, once you identify your key level and identify your CRT, that here's the CRT high, CRT low. Okay, you wait for the purge low because you're in low CRT, right? And you throw soup this low. Okay, throw soup this key level. So you expect the price push higher. Okay, so you wait for throw soup the CRT, right? And then you're going to do your entry. Well, how you gonna do your entry? You have several ways to do your entry. You can use the same time frame. Then your entry be on the third candle, right? Right. This is the first candle. Just consider this inside candle, right? You have your second candle, and you have the third candle. This is reminding something, you guys, like the tree, some with tree, like PO3, power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, distribution is the same thing, right? So the first candle here is your accumulation candle, right? That this candle represents better accumulation, right? So you have your accumulation, and you have your manipulation candle, and you have your distribution candle, right? Your distribution candle is always the best candle to do your entries. Not here, okay? If you just look in this time frame, okay, the 4-hour time frame. And your entry had to be in some place of this candle here, okay. So if you want to do this trade in just one time frame, your entry must be in the third candle, and you must wait to do this second candle purge the liquidity, turtle swoop this low, and close inside your range, your 4-hour CRT, right? If you close below, sorry, if you close below here, you disconsider. It's not valid anymore, okay? It must to close inside your CRT. Just purge and close inside. And then in this candle, you will do your entry. And for do your entry, you have like a tons of ways to do your entry, right? If you guys want to, I make a video just talking about entry models. There is a lot of entry models. This video must to have 100 likes. If this video hits 100 likes, okay, I will make one video just to explain my entry models, right? But in this video, I'm gonna give you 2 entry models. There's one in this time frame and one dropped in one time frame, okay? So in this time frame, you gonna mark the wick of the manipulation candle, and your entry is going to be here, right? With your stop below, right? This low. And your target can be 2. One target is the upside, the CRT high, right? The other side of the CRT. And another one is the middle point of the CRT, right? You have this both targets, right? It's up to you why you want to use it. The technical and correct one is the other side, right? And more profitable one though. But the half of the candle is gonna give you more accuracy and more win rate for your trades. So it's up to you, right? And the second entry, you're gonna drop to the 15-minute. If you're looking the 4-hour, you drop to the 15-minute, and then you wait the same fucking shit in the 15-minute, right? You have your CRT low right here, right? So you wait for the price tapped your CRT low, you mark your CRT 15-minute CRT right here, 15-minute CRT, 15-minute CRT, right? And then you wait the same thing, the price purge liquidity, total swoop the low, right? And close inside your CRT. The third candle, the distribution candle. Remember, first candle, second candle, third candle. Take your trade, right? Once the candle closes, take your trade, and the target is the same, 10R trade. Okay, 10R accomplished. If you want to go for half the target, it's a solid 5.5R trade, right? So it's up to you guys which target you want to use and which model you want to use. If you want to guys if you want to me make another videos with more entry models, more refined models, I can do it for you. Just hit the 100 likes and it's done. So it's basically this, guys. This is the way you're gonna trade CRT, right? Don't just looking for random candles in your chart into CRT, right? Wait for a key level has been hit, draw your CRT, and then take your entry. Simple as that. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this content. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see ya.